In this tutorial, we will show how to make a BNC end connector. First of all, the tools needed from left to right are the BNC crimp tool, BNC connector kit, wire strippers, and wire trimmers. Included in the kit are two ferrules. One ferrule is a plenum ferrule used for fire-rated cabling, and the second ferrule is used in non-fire-rated cabling. The first step in making a BNC cable is to start with a clean length of cable. We are using plenum cabling, so we will be using the plenum ferrule. Be sure to put the small side first onto the cable. Once the ferrule's on the cable, twist and push until it is approximately 4 inches down on the cabling. Step 2 is to strip the outer cable insulation approximately 2 inches from the end. Use wire stripper to score insulation. Pull and twist scored section of insulation. The woven copper shield is exposed, and you'll need to pull shield out and fan out exposing core. Score the inner core insulation approximately 1 inch down, and pull insulation off exposing center wire. Step 3 is to trim the exposed inner wire in half. Using your wire strippers, go ahead and do so. Place the center pin onto the exposed inner wire. Using the BNC crimper tool, place the center pin into the correct die and crimp the center pin onto the inner wire. Pull onto the center pin to ensure secure fit. Take the BNC end connector and push the end connector onto the center pin until it clicks. Go ahead and pull on the connector to ensure secure fit. The fourth step is to trim the woven copper shield that was fanned out. Using your wire strippers, go ahead and trim to about the diameter of a dime. Next, slide the ferrule up to the end connector. Check for exposed copper shield strands sticking out of the top of the connector. Pull the ferrule back and with your wire trimmers, trim any excess exposed copper shielding. Go ahead, push ferrule back up, and double check to make sure that there are no exposed copper wires sticking out. Step 5 is to crimp the ferrule to the end connector. Using the crimper tool, crimp the wide section of the ferrule to the connector end. Crimp the smaller section of the ferrule using the smaller die on the tool. Finally, pull and twist connector to verify a solid, tight connection.